All installation steps as well as the technical installation drawing can be found in the latest version of the PAPI LED 6.6 amp installation manual. Here is a list of the basic tools you'll need to prepare the surface before installing the PAPI lights. A power drill with the appropriate drill bit. Mounting dowels, recommended size, 12 by 80 mm to 12 by 120 mm. Mounting screws, recommended size, 8 by 80 mm to 8 by 120 mm. An open-ended wrench of appropriate size. Ensure all tools are ready and within reach before starting the installation process. It is recommended to tighten the screws anchored in the concrete with a torque of approximately 22.5 Nm. Installation should be carried out on a clean, solid, and paved surface. If the ground is not already hardened, such as concrete or asphalt, it must be properly reinforced and leveled to ensure stable and long-term performance of the PAPI system. Here are a few examples showing PAPI installations on properly hardened ground. These serve as references for recommended surface preparation before installing PAPI units to ensure stability, correct alignment, and long-term durability. To begin the installation process, start by marking the positions for the mounting holes. These should align with the dimensions shown in the technical drawing. Accurate placement is essential to ensure the PAPI LED unit fits securely and operates correctly once installed. Using a power drill and the appropriate drill bit, begin drilling the mounting holes according to the specified dimensions for the PAPI LED installation. We recommend drilling holes with a 12 mm diameter and a depth of 80 to 120 mm, depending on the type of substrate. Once the holes are drilled, insert 12 mm diameter mounting dowels into each hole to ensure a secure and stable installation. Finally, place the 3 base plates over the drilled holes. Secure the plates using 8 by 80 mm to 8 by 120 mm screws. Tighten the screws with an appropriate size open-ended wrench to ensure a firm and stable installation.